I'm Chef Alex with Vegan Wagon, and today I am with Chef Shivanter making a beautiful lunch, vegan, for the Cancer Awareness Program for the fantastic New York girls, their interior design. So today I want to show you a simple trick in the kitchen for make a lox, but a lox made with carrot. So you take a carrot, a big carrot, then you put in the oven full of salt. You cover the salt, this carrot, for at least 45 minutes. And after that, you peel the carrot and you use your peeler to make little ribbon like this. So it look almost like smoked salmon. That's what we want to play here. Being vegan to fake it. So we have this beautiful lucky bread that we make at Vegan Wagon that is gluten-free, and we add some pickle juice in it to make it appropriate for the lox carrot that we're making today. So also we're making a little cream cheese with some beautiful almond that we peel and we let soak overnight, and we blend with some chive and a little bit of olive oil. So we take one of those little babies that we just baked earlier, we cover it with some almond cream cheese, we put a little ribbon of the baked salted carrot, we add a little bit of grated lemon skin, we put a piece of dill, there you go. And we can add a flavorful smoked salt on the top. And this is a beautiful pass order to start a cocktail party.